Okay, we'll discuss about that. Maybe I'll just check why it is not working. It should work. Control Shift down arrow, select the ranges. So this should work. I'll just check why it is not working and then I'll confirm to you. Okay. I have just noted it down that we need to discuss this one. Give me just 2 minutes. Okay, we'll just discuss that. I'll see why this particular option is not working, because this is very useful to select ranges. We just use Control Shift and down arrow, up arrow, left or right arrows to select the ranges. I'll just confirm this on you. Okay. Let's see why this option is not working. But for now, I hope I'll remember this one that I need to discuss. But for now, I hope this list part is clear to everyone, that how we create a list and then how we can use that list. It is a very beneficial feature. Flash fill is a very useful feature that we use very frequently in our day-to-day life if you use Excel frequently in your life. I hope this is clear. Apart from this particular doubt, is there any question? This one I'll discuss sometime later. Is there any doubt apart from this? Any question, anyone?
No.
Okay, so maybe just take 1 minute, just quickly do a hands-on on this. Let me know if you're facing any issues or this is working fine for you. This one also, and the previous flash fill that we discussed. Okay, so just quickly do a hands-on, take maybe 2 minutes, and then we'll resume. Okay, just everyone try it out quickly. Use the datasets which I have provided you. Those datasets are large datasets and you should be able to get the ranges that, okay, this is working fine on the large range also. I hope everyone is just doing the hands-on.
Yes.
Okay, just quickly try it out.
Hi, this is Madhuri. From the data set which you have given just before, that is master product. I'm trying with that. I have inserted a column, okay, to fetch the product ID.
To fetch the product ID, okay?
Yeah, it says like in between, like in the between, it says like BOCHLA and all, right? So I just trying a flash fill with that, but I'm not able to get it.
Okay.
I tried with first two, and I have given 3 or 4 like that, but still I'm unable to get it.
Okay, okay. I'll discuss that. Maybe you can share your screen and then we can see what you are doing. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll
First, I
just
just have to fill it. First two columns I have to fill it and drop down and just Control E, right?
correct,
For the
correct.
flash fill.
Either first two
No.
or first three, whatever you want, and just select the range and Control E. That's it.
Okay, then it's not working for me.
You can just share your screen maybe in some time. I'll ask you and then we'll
Sure,
discuss.
sure, sure,
Okay.
sure.
Even I had the same problem. I just filled the first 4 and then tried it. It's working.
Okay. Okay. We'll discuss this part. We'll discuss this part. Can you guys maybe try this one, creating a new list, and just later on we are just discussing this. You guys can share your screen, maybe any one of you, and then we'll discuss.
There's one scenario I tried. The others are working.
Okay.
One where there is a date column, and now I want to do the year part of that date. So I just accepted, like I just wrote the year part in a new column, and now when I try to flash fill, it is not working.
Maybe I think you guys are having the same issue. So I'll discuss this one. Maybe one of you can share your screen and then we'll discuss. But before that, just make sure that you're doing all the scenarios practice. I'll discuss this particular one. Okay.